recent visit to my farmhouse, which was truly memorable. I have two dogs, Jack, a white medium-sized Pomeranian, and Lily, a small long-haired white terrier. I haven't visited the farmhouse for 15 days, and when I arrived, both dogs were incredibly excited to see me. Lily, being younger and more energetic, jumped around enthusiastically, wagging her tail and showing pure joy. Jack was calmer, but he also displayed his affection by running close to me. One of the most heartwarming moments was when my son Mohammed showed love to Lily by gently petting her. Observing their reactions reminded me of an important lesson. Consistent care and attention build trust and strong bonds too, not only with pets but also with people in our lives.